So I want to start a new series where I go over all the sewing projects and crafts I made from the month previous. This month was a busy month because my cousin's little girl is having her birthday party, and I really wanted to make her some special things because I just had my baby and they were so phenomenal with the things they got me for my baby shower, and I just wanted to treat them. So her favorite movie is Coco, and of course Disney doesn't make any fabric for this movie, so I just got some sugar skull fabric and made a different products with it. I double checked with them to make sure she would still like it even though it wasn't Disney and it didn't look exactly like it, and they said she's gonna really like it. So the first thing I made her was a little headband. It's kind of punk rocky, and her mom's really into, classic rock and roll, and it just really fits in with her style. The next thing I made was just a tiny little handbag. And what little girl doesn't like a little handbag that she can put all her toys in there, she can put crayons, whatever she might like. And the inside is lined with red because it's her favorite color. And since her mom's so into music and Coco's really music inspired, since Coco has a lot of music in it and it's all based around the main character wanting to be a musician, the fabric is actually red with music notes all over it. And technically, if she wanted to, she could use it as a reversible bag. It would just still have the sugar skull heads. The next thing I made was a little onesie. I used some sticky applique for the back of this and used some hearts. And I just wanted to stylize it into something special, and I really like how this came out. It kind of looks like a clover. The next thing I made is I found these cute little denim shorts and put a little pocket on the back of it. I was going to put 2 pockets on, but my needle broke and my sewing machine started acting up, so I was like, let's not push it. So this didn't turn out exactly as how I wanted it to. I tried 3 times putting this pocket on and I could not get it straight. I think it's just because it's so small and trying to maneuver under my machine didn't really work well. So I'm gonna let her mom see it. If she still wants it, that's fine. If not, I don't know. And here's just a little coloring book to fill in. Her favorite characters are Rover and I can't think of the other one's name. Abby. So here's a little coloring book. I didn't make this, obviously. And then I made a pillow with a removable cover. It's just an envelope cover, so it can be removed and washed. No, not on this. And the fabric's just really vibrant and bright. It's really pretty. And the skulls actually look like they're smiling. They don't really look very menacingly. And then this is more sentimental. Our family really loves bees, and there's a whole story to it, but I don't really feel like getting into it. But I made her this little bee blanket, and the back is really cute. It has bigger bumblebees on it. But I think she's really going to enjoy that, and I plan on making another one of these for my daughter. But I want to change the center of it and kind of make it look like the black and white bumblebee, and then have this outer fabric be the backing. And then the last thing is I wanted something to put all this stuff in. So I got one of these craft wood crates at Joann's, and I got it for a really good price with a lot of coupons. And my mom's going to help me put her name on the side of it with wood lettering. And I made this lining fabric, and to make sure it didn't have a frayed edge, I used French seams so it can be removed and washed. And it's just a cute little toy box that she can have. Some other things I made this month was a simple lined zipper bag. I made this for the car so we can have an emergency diaper bag, And what I keep in it are just some diapers, some dry wipes that you can wet whenever you need them, because I figured leaving wipes in the car is just gonna, they're just gonna dry out, and I just keep an extra burp rag in there. Another item that I made is a fabric covered box. I'm actually gonna have a video for this. It might already be up or it might come in after this. Depends when I get to editing. This is the sew version. I tried using the no sew versions where you use glue, and they're just a pain in the butt to me. I hate getting glue on my hands, and I feel like this is a lot easier. And what I use this one for is I just store our little ones' milestone blocks and stickers, so they're on hand, because you know every month comes and goes very quickly, and you want to make sure you get those milestone photos. And then the last thing I got done this month were just a few cute bandanas. Got a red one, a blue one, and a little anchor one. Because what pup doesn't love bandanas? And so far that's all the crafts I have this month. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and give it a like. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll be doing these monthly so long as I get something done.